link in the description box down below. It's gonna take you to this YouTube channel right here called Camiscosmetics. Subscribe to that YouTube channel. Once you've done, ooh, it was gonna be perfect. Once you've done, I get lipstick on myself, like every time I kiss. Bye, see, it happens. Then I have to make sure not to get it on my white shirt. Feeling frisky? Don't say that. Feeling frisky? Once you've done those 3 things, you are entered to win this giveaway. Why am I doing the 3? I meant to do this. And the third thing is to click the link in the description box down below. So this is the whole look, you guys. I am so excited. I love how it came out. It's just glamorous enough for me. Too bad it is, my ring fell off. That's so annoying. My jewelry, I'm having problems with my jewelry today. Guys, please forget. Guys, please don't forget to follow the description box. What am I saying? What time is it? It's 9:55. It's time for me to go to bed.